Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, let's discuss what to do if your Apple Pay is stuck on waiting for activation. So the most reliable solution is to remove your card and add it back to your Apple Wallet, which forces the verification process to restart. So let's remove the card. You want to go to Wallet application on your iPhone and then tap the card that is stuck. And then in the top right, you have to go to More button, and at the bottom select Remove Card option. So after your card is removed from your Apple Wallet, you'll have to perform a simple restart of your iPhone to clear any temporary glitches. And then let's re-add the card once again. In the Wallet application, tap the plus icon in the top section of your screen, and let's tap Debit or Credit Card. And now if you have your physical card, you can place your iPhone on the back of your card, or if you don't have your physical card, you can just enter card details manually. That is not a problem at all. And then proceed with all the following with the on-screen steps. Okay, so this is the first method. And additionally, if you use VPN, you have to turn it off because the service, such as VPN, often can interfere with the secure connection that is required for card activation. So please turn off your VPN completely. Of course, you have to check your internet connection. You have to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable and that it works fine. Additionally, you can try updating your iOS version of iOS. Let's go to Settings, and you have to go to General section. Now let's select Software Update, and here you can check if there are any new updates, and if so, please install it and eventually update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Additionally, you have to make sure that you have correct date and time set, because if you have incorrect time zone, it can disrupt secure communication. So let's go to homepage of Settings, then you have to select General. Let's go to Date and Time section and make sure that you have the feature set automatically on, and this will set automatically your time zone and time correctly. So yeah, that were the main steps, main fixes of the Apple Pay stuck on waiting for activation, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.